Hope the question is not too long, but I have a friend, she's 16 years old, and she reverted to Islam, and her family's like, they are extreme Alevis, they hate Islam to their guts. And the family found out she prays, and her mom's like now threatening her to kill herself and whatnot, and they're trying to prevent her from praying, taking the keys and whatever. And now she wants to go to her father, but she feels bad doing that as her mom has like a heart disease, and she fears that if she goes, that her mom will be very stressed and may collapse and then may even die because of her health condition. So she's unsure what to do. Yeah.
The priority, Medina, of this girl is to obey Allah and to serve Allah. If her mother is showing animosity, hatred, and trying to block her from worshipping Allah, she's an enemy of Islam. So she should give priority to worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal, not to obeying such an evil mother. What happens, Sheikh, if she goes to her father and this stresses her mom and she dies? Eventually she's going to die. Whether she's stressed or a few years down the line or 10 years, she's going to die. She brought this to herself when she opposed Islam. And her daughter is not harming her. She is praying to Allah Azza wa Jal. Why would this anger you? Except if you hate Allah, if you hate Islam, and if you hate Salah. Such a person, who cares what happens to them? Focus on what pleases Allah. Keep your eyes on the ball. Don't be distracted. Allah wants you to pray on time. She takes the keys, she prevents you, she blocks you. No, you have to leave her and go to a place that you would be safe to practice your religion.